you though.
Can you tell the difference between the
Yeah, I can. You're way bigger.
two? He says, well, well, I see you have a deep appreciation for my style. Ho, 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 he, he. It's like looking in a mirror. How, though, how to see two of me roaming abroad.
What is it funny when
I know.
mommy can't give me Before it says this, gonna see a creepy face. 30 candies.
Yeah.
What does that say?
Happy Halloween!
That's funny. Ooh.
What's that say?
He just
So good. It sent chills down my spine.
lollipop. How
Yeah.
did he do that? That's a hard lollipop. How did he do that? Bart just made his lollipop as small as possible by biting it open. He bites his own lollipop open. Okay, I'm gonna go over to the clothes shop.
I got a kooky carrot, but I already have one.
I'll take it. I'll take the extra one.
Alright. If you give him a lollipop, he should give you one.
I don't have a lollipop. I have candy. Oh my goodness!
Every time I go to them with this costume on.
What'd she say?
Jester's back. Oh no!
What's she say?
She gave her candy already.
Let's see what happens when I say no.
No what?
Okay. Ah.
Oh no! What did he do to you?
He packed you, Mommy.
Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like here in a second. If you don't give them candy. Yeah. Thank you, buddy. That's what he did. He tricked me. Look what he did to my face. Actually, it matches this costume.
Yeah, that's what he
It's not
did
that
to
bad.
your face.
Yeah. That's what he did to my face.
I wanted to do it to my face too. I'm gonna go to
When you go to a villager and you don't give them candy, they trick you this way. Leave that alone, buddy.
Every year. When it gets dark, I'm just gonna be standing there with the insanest person. Mommy, go to the area. I want them to do it to you again. Do it to them.
I want him to do it to me.
He's gonna do it to me. He's gonna do it.
Oh, he did it to me! Except I have pumpkins on my face. He gave me it anyway. He gave me the special item anyway.
Yeah, I'm not sure what I got. A wooden table mirror.